Morning. Morning. You're right. Hey guys, Adam here from Travel Inspired. This weekend I'm heading over to Papua Island. It's just a short distance, maybe 10-15 minutes from Arawa, and I'll be spending the night there. So I'm going to do a bit of a video journey of what we get up to over on the island. It's great for snorkeling, great for fishing, stand-up paddle boards, kayaks, and just a great place to kick back. There's really very little on Papua that you can buy. So any food, drinks, and so on that I need to take, I need to go and buy today. So I'm going to do a bit of a wander around with my friend Joe, and we're going to check out the best fishing places in town. Go to the main market, which on a Friday is chaotic, colourful, vibrant, crazy place to be. And then yeah, wander around a few shops as well and just stock up on whatever we need. So yeah, let's get going. Morning, Joe.
Morning.
Always working.
Yeah. Always busy. Try to clean this thing.
Ah, it's looking good.
Hmm?
This is where the upe is going to go?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's like my stem.
Yeah. Ah, this is good.
Hmm? The sack.
Yeah, the extra shark.
Yeah.
And then just big squid.
Squid.
Busy on a Friday, yeah?
Yeah. Friday always busy. Friday is busy.
So that's the first store down. Unfortunately, no fishing tackle in that place, so let's move on to the next.
This size you got it last time? Yeah, maybe. This size.
Ah, yeah?
Okay, no, okay.
See, go mark here, no, I think by 5 or 5 or 4. You try me. See this one?
Check out these postcards. Got Lake Billy Mitchell, World War II plane in Kieta, Mount Bagana, a tank in Kieta also, and then Book of Passage.
Yeah, bigger than
Fourth.
Bigger than this one.
Yeah,
You know.
like longer ones
because
for the lure.
size of- I'll take a panga. Big lagi.
Morning. Okay, so we've got our food, got our fishing tackle, got a real sweat on. I'm ready to go to Puk Puk.